Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start at the Fire TV home screen. Make sure your remote responds and the TV input matches the Fire Stick. Press Home, then navigate to Settings. This is where system-level brightness controls live. Once in Settings, choose Display and Sounds, and then Display so you can access picture modes and adaptive settings. You're doing this because changing here adjusts system output, not just one app, so changes apply everywhere. Now that you're in Display, get ready to pick the control you actually need. Once in Display, pick Picture Mode to quickly change contrast and brightness profiles. Standard is balanced, Bright boosts luminance, Movie reduces harsh highlights. If adaptive brightness is available, toggle it on to let the Fire TV automatically adapt to room light, or turn it off to control brightness manually. If you see a brightness slider, nudge it in small increments and watch the screen. Small changes matter. Make sure to test with different content. You want comfortable brightness without crushing shadow detail or blowing out highlights. After adjusting, confirm and exit settings, then sample multiple apps and menus so you know the change is consistent. If the brightness change didn't take effect, restart the Fire TV by holding Home or using settings right arrow My Fire TV right arrow restart. This often resolves temporary glitches. If problems persist, inspect the HDMI cable and TV picture settings because the TV can override the Fire Stick, and make sure Fire OS is up to date.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.